Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because we have another unboxing. This is not Helpsy Source, but it's ThredUp! And I've got a couple more coming. I'm so excited, y'all. I have been, as y'all know, I've been talking in weekly chats about making changes throughout the year to improve and change and update what I'm selling and trying new things. As y'all know, sometimes you just kind of tweak and change things. And things have changed a lot in the last year. I tried kids' clothes before, and it did not work out, but I was also trying to sell them on Poshmark. And I am trying some new things after watching other videos. Sometimes you just learn things from other people, and you're like, you know what, that might work for me. And if it does, great. If not, it's not going to hurt you, right? Trying it. You don't know unless you try. So, I am trying some new things. This is a kid's shoebox, mixed rescue, paid $34 for it. Now, some of these, depending on how good they are, I'm hoping that this is from the Good Warehouse. I was watching videos, and they said the really good warehouse that sends the great stuff wraps it like this with a bubble wrap, and it's wrapped with bubble wrap. So I'm excited to dive into this. I'm hoping to find some great pieces. And depending on what they are, they might go on the auction next Tuesday with women. And some of them I might just list myself just because I want to make more money. Let's dive in and see what we got this time, you guys. Or for the first time. This is our first kids' shoe. Okay, art class. Oh, these are cute. Art class. These are size 1. These are actually in really good condition. Art class, because I think art class is Walmart. I'm not sure if we're going to put these in an auction or if I'll sell these myself. But these are in, look at the bottoms. These are actually in really good condition. So I'm actually really happy with that first pair. Okay, let's keep moving along. These are Spider-Man. Again, in pretty good condition. Let me show you the first one. Yeah, these are actually in really good condition. Size 12 marble Spider-Man. Even the Velcro has very little wear. And let me show you here. That is the shoe. Sorry if the lighting is a little bit dark. It's a little bit dark up here today. And here's the second one. Again, a little bit of eraser cleanup. These are in really good condition. Very happy with that. I think those will do well. Okay, we got some Adidas. These again they have some wear, but they're still in really good condition. These are a size. These orthotic or ortholite. Ortholite size, let me see if I can get the size for you. Size 6 kids. Superstar, obviously shiny. The bottoms look really good, so I will do a little bit of bit of cleanup on those and get those ready. And then more Adidas. Size 3.5. Again, these are in really good condition. Now, I think I paid $34 for this box. There should be 10 pieces, which means I paid just over $3. So like maybe $3.40 or $3.50 depending on the tax, because I don't pay shipping. So let's even say $3.50 for these. Kids Vans. These are also in really good condition. Kids Vans. I will definitely be putting these on Mercari, possibly be eBay, and for sure I'll put these up on Kidezen. So these are a size youth 2.5. Again, look at what good condition these are in. Barely worn. I mean, they do have some wear, but they're in really good condition. Y'all have to tell me after we go through this. Y'all have to tell me in the comments down below what you guys think of this box. Okay. Cat Jack. These are really, really cute. Size 10. Look at those. It's hard to... Sorry, my lighting is just bad right now. Can you see that? It's got like the little animal print detail on the front. And then this one here, it looks like these are like an 07. Is that trying to say something? Oh, this is what it's saying. Wild. W-I and then L-D. Okay, those are super cute. Oh my goodness gracious, those are adorable. And the bottoms look great. I am actually really happy with this box. I might actually order another one depending on how these do. Okay, what are these? These are, they're outdoor shoes. These are, it's hard to read it because don't you love it when they just imprint on the thing? Stride right. These are great shoes for next coming up season too. And the soles on these still have lots of wear. There is a little bit of, you know, stuff there, so I will clean those up. And these are a size 7. Gosh, it's so tiny. I'm having a hard time reading it. So I think it's a size 7 kids. So there's that. Okay, we're getting there. These are, okay, let me get to it here. Athletic. And these have the you know, stretchable here. But look at these. They're still in really good condition. You can tell they've been worn, but they're still in really great condition. Hopefully you can see those okay. Again, I apologize that it just seems kind of dark in here. So that is that pair. I would say that I definitely think that I could at least hopefully double my money on most of these. We've got some Nike. These will definitely need some cleanup. But we got Nike. And these are a size 6 youth. Look at these. Love the blue. And they have like a little insert right here. So these kind of seem like they might be, I'm not sure what these are. I'll have to research these a little bit. But we got some Nike. Yeah, I think looking at what I've gotten so far, I'm hoping I should be at least able to double my money on most of these. Last but not least is Rocky Mountains, some boots, waterproof. Okay, this is cool. I'm excited to research these. They zip down the side here to go in, and they do lace up. These are a size 12.5 kids. Obviously, they've been worn, but you can't see much wear. These will be easy to clean up and list. So, let's count. So, we did get 10 pairs, and I'm telling you, I'm actually really, really happy with what I got here. Like I said, I paid $34 for the box plus whatever the tax was, which was probably just a few dollars. So even if it was like 35 or 36, we're looking at $3.50 a pair. I'm super excited to do a 90-day update on these. I'll probably just list these and give them 90 days. I won't, I don't know that I'm going to put these through Whatnot because I do want to make money on these. And if I do them on Whatnot, I won't get what I want for them. So these will get just simply listed. So I will do a 90-day update on these. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please do so you know when the 90-day updates are there. Also, any of these unboxings we do, I've got a couple more boxes coming from ThredUp. I may get another shoe box. I'm actually really happy with what I got. Oh, this came from, am I looking at the wrong place? Georgia. Came from Georgia. And I'm happy with this. And from what, like I said, what the other video said, when they come in with the package the way they did with the bubble wrap, is usually better quality. So now that I know where they're coming from, I may go ahead and get a second one and get more kids' shoes. Because I do think these will do well. I'll put them up on Kidezen, Mercari, maybe eBay. I will not be putting these on Poshmark because I don't want to deal with the 20%, sending out huge offers and all that. I just don't want to do that with the kids' stuff. So, guys, I hope this was a blessing to you. So super thrilled to do this with you. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.